Hey, what's up, guys? Gangsta Driller here. I know it's been a minute, and I know you guys. I remember I told you guys that we were trying to move, but unfortunately, the people that were going to buy our property, that deal fell through. So, damn. So we're back to square one again. So your boy's not moving yet, but hopefully sometime maybe this year we'll be moving. But at any rate, today we are working on, and you know what, I just realized, there we go, we are working on a big ass Figaro. They only want $299. That's all they want, guys. But that is a big ass lobster claw class. That normally would be about a $250, $300 class right there. But we're going to see if we can save them some money. First of all, we got to get this tape off of here. We're going to see if we got a spring. If I don't have one laying around, we're going to make one. And if you haven't seen my video on how to make a spring for your lobster claw clasp, need to check that out.